Hello, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my own Luigi Superstar Saga for the GBA. In this episode, in the last episode, we made it the rest of the way up the mountain and down the mountain base. This time we're going to the big new castle. Halt, you there. Halt. You can't just waltz on in here. The town has just been attacked, which means the castle could be attacked at any moment. Little Llama has instructed us not to allow anyone to enter the castle. Anyone whatsoever. Herman said that if you still wish to enter, you must explain your names and your motives. What? You're the world famous Mario? What? And you are the legendary Luigi? Luigi who? Shh, I have no idea. If you really are the superstar Mario from the Mushroom Kingdom, prove it. That jump. No mistaking it. This guy really is Mario. Shh, can't be certain. Anyway, what business would the famous Mario and the other guy have in the castle? Huh? Oh, I see, got you. What do they want? No clue. Enough. Regardless of all that nonsense, you may not enter. Now be gone. Prince Peasley's Rose. Are you friends with the prince? Oh yeah. No, listen, I think maybe we ought to let these guys inside. Okay, taking the cat like Rose and your wacky story, we can allow you to enter. That was one wacky story. We can do it, dweebs. Idiots. But Master Mario is Master Luigi. I am Lady Lima, of the highest of the ladies of court. The gatekeepers told me of you. Are you indeed Mario and Luigi of fame, the superstars? Yes, I can't deny that such jumping is a hallmark of the Mario and Luigi legend. Pardon me? What are you trying to tell me? Oh, do speak up. Oh, such ruckus, speaking softer voices. Now, hear me, as you saw, the town is in ruins. The castle is under strict guard. At times like this, I cannot allow a suspicious pair such as you to meet the Queen. As the Queen's longest-serving lady at court, I must act in the interest of her royal safety. Hear my words. If you two are indeed the two Mario Bros, you must prove it by repairing the castle's plumbing. If you are able to completely fix it, then you may meet the Queen. Now then, show me the work ethic of the superstar Mario Bros. Alright. New enemies. Decent experience for this fucking game. At least I believe. I got to get you up to speed, Luigi. Up in PAL too. Alright. No. Luigi strong with Mario? We can't have that now. Okay, no. don't know if we make it to level 10 in this area or not. We will be fighting every enemy in this area. Come on, Luigi.
Oh no!
Come on, Luigi. Okay, we might make it level 10. Let's go, PP. On. Majorly point. Yeah, we'll most likely only get to level 10.
go.
I'm not having so much powerful as Mario. I pressed the B button, dingus.
Let's go. Yahoo! Let's go. Go.
Mario's probably getting level up there. Luigi might not make it. Mario's gotta get it a little higher than Luigi.
Let's go. Yahoo!
Luigi needs one. Final room before the actual final. Oh, I think the star saved me. You're heroic, so cool.
Oh yeah!
Could you beat the Mario Bros? What are Mario Bros doing? Like you came out, Dr. Perry down here, and thought you'd fix the post because we were attacked by Cat and Queens. And and been stuck down here ever since. Perhaps the later llama you encountered was. Orders my boys, you have completely and pathetically fallen into my trap. Preparing the plumbing is key to disabling the Beanstar security system. Calculate it in a hurry and come, I took Beanstar and fastly run away from this place. Alas, at long last, I have not possessed both the Beanstar and Peach's voice. The thing that I can grant all desires of Beanstar. We have always remained at this castle, acting as guardians, protecting the Beanstar and keeping it out of evil hands. There's no doubt about it, Calcutta must be after the Beanstar, or not. Oh, heroic Mario Bros. Quickly, now let's go to the Beanstar, go. Let's not let the Beanstar fall into the hands of evil. Quickly, do not dawdle. I want to see if there's one more enemy around. Oh, there it is. I wonder if I save right here. I really want Luigi to be level 10 too. And if I reset game,
Nintendo.
if enemies will load. No, that no credit. What meant to be one hit or one off. Oh well. Oh, it's too late, the Beanstalk. The Beanstalk and Princess Peach's voice are already mine. Once you awaken the Beanstalk with Princess Peach's voice, the world will be Calcutta snack cake. Say, Mario boys, you haven't bothered to pay a visit to our host, Queen Bean. I thought you had better manners. Maybe Queen Bean? Perhaps the three of you could sit down over tea to discuss the finer points of foreign policy.
Let's go.
So how you taking Mario? It's at 20 hit points. Oh, one, no, four, like four. Oh no, cut that up first. Couldn't even mean to eat a belly bait swarm. That's a turn her into this. After a kingdom is doomed, how will we ever return Queen Bean to normal? What's that? You say? Why Rose will do something about it? What can you possibly mean? You speak of the impossible. There's no known way to spit out an ingested belly blood. Except, there's one way, the last resort. It is pretty though. They may be able to spit up if she drank the legendary chocolate reserve from Chucklehuck Words. You go to Chucklehuck Words. You find the chocolate reserve. Well, if you're going to make such bold proclamations, I suppose I have no choice but to rely on you. Take this bean route and head southwest from the castle towards Chateau de Chucklehuck. You find the Chocola Reserve hidden deep in the Chucklehuck Words. Our queen may yet recover.
Let's go.
Mario Luigi. Lady Lama has asked that you also take this along with you. You got the bean badge. That thing is a badge. If you equipped it, you'll be a little stronger in battle. Different badges have different effects, so for now, you get the badge, make sure you equipped it. To equip it, press select to open your suitcase. Get out of my stuff, man. You bean people. Disrespectful. Select this icon. Here you can see the gear and the badge you're equipped with. Okay, Mario, time to equip the badge I just gave you. Select this icon. This is where all the badges you have are shown. Normally you pick a badge. It's simple this time since you only have one right now. Press A and you equip the badge. Now you're all set. Good luck and be careful. Sorry Luigi, but if you want your own badge, you have to go buy one at the store. Oh, let's not save yet. Let's go in here and see what we have. Bye. So that is going to conclude today's episode of Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.